In this video, I will show you how to fix underexposed area in your clip in the Premiere Pro. So how you can fix it? It's very easy thing to do. So first of all, this is my clip and I want to fix it. I will select the clip. Now I will go to my effect panel here. If you're not able to find, just go to Windows and make sure there's a tick mark. If there's a tick mark, then it will activate and it will show in your screen. Now here you have to try illuminatory color, right? So you can just search for it and let me do it. Now click and hold and drag it to your clip. So I will just click and hold, and on the effect control you will find this option of elementary color. So just go and click on drop down of basic correction, and here you will find a lot of options. Let me zoom out for you guys. So this is the temperature. So here, and basically the main thing which is important, the exposure. So I will just increase the exposure of my video as well as the contrast, right? And then I will also likely to increase the highlights. So this is how you can do it, and basically you have to do the tweaks and changes and everything, and then it will be perfectly fine. So right now it is good, right, as we compare to the old video. So let me show you that how much we gain from the old video, the exposure, and then you will find the result.